Hello everyone, in front of me is Redmi 13C and let me show you how to use secret codes. First of all, open your phone dialer. Then go to keypad and here you can start entering codes. Let me start with the first one, which is *##, 426, ###. Here we've got FCM diagnostic mode in which you can check events and status. If you want to explore it a bit more, tap on more icon and select advanced view. And here we've got it. So this is it. Let me go back. Another code that you can use is *##, 225, *##. And here you can get all knowledge regarding every calendar of yours. So if you do have, for example, Google Calendar connected with this device, or maybe iOS Calendar, all upcoming events, all celebrations will be displayed right in front of you. Let me go back, and another code that you can use is *##06#, which will show you all details regarding your device, the necessary details like email and serial number. So tap on OK then. And if you have any other codes, smoothly enter it the same way. Enjoy. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.